Right here, right here, right here. There they are. There it is. There it is again. There's number 3. Fish. I thought that was the bottom. Oh, this is a good one. Oh. Whoa, did you see the size? Whoa, did you see the size of that thing? That was a monster. Oh. Next fish. Whew. Thought I was hearing voices. So I came down to fish, and on the way down, I got slammed with paperwork, emails, text messages coming across. So I've been working for the last 2 or 3 hours here, taking care of business. But hey, work first. So now I'm rushing around trying to get the boat ready to hit the river. It's late. I think it's 3:30, 4 o'clock or something like that, so I don't have a lot of time. This might be a short video. It depends on, I don't even know if I'm going to catch any fish, but we'll find out. So I'm going to get the boat launched, and I'll see you up there.
This journey started in the 60s, and I have fished from Alaska to Florida, hunted the Arctic for caribou, and combed the coastlines of Kodiak and the Aleutian Islands in search of meaning and purpose. These excursions exemplify a deeper understanding of success beyond that of just catching fish or bagging big game. They are about the chase and learning who you are. They are about exploring, appreciating, and respecting the vast expanses of our nation's forests, lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans, and finding our place in the universe. My name is Gene Quinney. These are my stories, this is my life, and these are my adventures.
Well, let's see how much we can accomplish in just an hour or so. It's about all I have to fish. Maybe 2 if I'm lucky. Let me straighten you out a little bit, okay? Straighten out, will ya? Okay. Everything's warmed up, we're ready to go. Let's hit it. Let me get the angle of the dangle right. That ain't right. There we go. We have plenty of water. I don't know, I didn't check the level or the flow, but I'm pretty sure we have maybe 34, somewhere around there, 32, 34. That's what it looks like to me. All right, let's do it. Onward! Shoot, I usually bait up so when I get up here I can immediately get to fishing, but that's not happening today. But how long does it take to bait up? Like there's another boat getting ready to put in here. Bait this one up. Ooh, that one doesn't have a leader. Oh my gosh, I'm not even ready to fish. Oh gosh, that's crazy. I am so ill prepared. I only have one rod set up right now. That's okay. I'll get her handled. Okay, we are going to see what we can do here. Obviously, that's why we're here, right? stuck on the bottom already. My gosh, I don't believe it. I don't have a leader tied onto that other rod. That's okay. I'm not completely unprepared. Just ill-prepared. Oh man, it's late in the day and I'm actually tired already before even starting. Got up this morning first thing, had to do a bunch of work. And it's not, you know, the work that I do now, I mean down here at the river, you know, when I'm cutting wood or clearing, you know, a brush or something like that, that's physical work. But most of the work that I do now is not, it's not physical work, it's, you know, mental work, you know, writing. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish, that's a fish. That's a fish, my friends. That's a fish, my friends. I was just saying, you know, the mental work of writing contracts and interpreting contracts and representing clients, it's a different kind of exhaustion. But look at this. Oh my God, first drip fish on? Are you kidding me? Doesn't feel like a jack, but I don't want to say anymore. I hope it's a coho. I don't know. I'm not gonna guess. Your guess is as good as mine. My job is to stay out of the shallows. And a lot of times you guys will see me rev up my engine and can try to control the boat as opposed to concentrating on the fish. I do that because to me, the boat position is more important than the fish. So sure, I want to land the fish. Oh, but I don't want to tune up my prop on the, you know, on the shallows or get stuck in the shallows. That's more important to me. I'd rather lose a fish than bang up a boat. Oh, it's a coho. It's a coho. It's a nice coho too. It's a coho. It's a nice coho too. Good. I can scoop it up. I can scoop it up. Oh, come on, baby. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Come on. There we go. There we go. I gotta let it go. It's got an adipose fin. There it goes. Shoot. Okay, I'm gonna zip up here and just tie up another rig on that other rod. Okay, we're all baited up, ready to rock and roll. Okay. Let's see if we can replicate that success. This guy in that boat here is a plug puller, which is okay. That's what people do. And since he's fishing behind him, you know, he's fishing behind the boat because he's pulling plugs, I'll drift up to him, go around him, and go fall in behind him, leaving him enough space to fish, of course. There we go. Fish. Oh, fuck, he came out. Oh, sorry about my language. Can't catch them all, I guess. And there's a fish right there. There it is. Oh, I missed it. He's coming back. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Missed it again. 2 missed fish in that one spot. Exact same spot. And they feel like heavy fish. Okay. Come on, man. What's going on? There's no way. I mean, that's crazy how I missed 2 fish. Right here, right here, right here. There they are. There it is. There it is again. There's number 3. I can miss him this time. I got him this time. I got you this time, buddy. Wow, that was 3 fish right in a row. Okay, it looks like a jack. Maybe that's why they're not. It's a coho. It's a coho. Come on. Now I need an adult, clipped adult coho. Okay, I'm gonna run back up. It can be snaggy over here because a lot of people fish from the bank over here and get, you know, loose gear. So we can get snaggy, like right there, see? Ah. And I'm past the snaggy area now. Okay. Okay, now we're closer to the bank, which could be a place where a lot of fish are, but this a little bit higher water than the last couple times I've been down here. Okay, I got a good distance between me and my presentation, and the presentation's in a good slot right there outside of those big boulders. And I got a good chunk of egg on there. So I should be running into a fish at any time now. Okay. Okay, see, I'm in the seam now over there. Now we're in a better position. A little bit further over there towards the deeper water. Okay, I'm gonna head back up. Okay, I'm back up. But in the wrong position. There we go. I would imagine with the shadows and everything from the sun and whatnot, you probably can't even see the float out there. It's difficult for me to see, let alone see it in the camera. Might be better now because it's in the sun. Now you guys can see that I always allow about 4 to 6 feet of line to lay on the water in front of the float. That helps drag the float along the surface. The line is actually dragging the float as it's being pushed. Helps keep it straight, helps keep everything in line. I have a saying, and that is that jumpers don't bite and biters don't jump. Slip back up. Oh, how's this guy going? Make some space for him. He could have went around, I don't care. It's not going to affect my fishing. I can catch a fish anywhere. Well, I can try anyway, I should say. Oh, what's that? Nope. A lot of times, in my opinion, if these fish are pushed around by boats, they get a little more aggressive. They move around a little better. When you think about it, look at all the boats, guide boats running up and down Blue Creek. It doesn't stop the steelhead from hitting at all. That's a fish. No, it's not a fish. That was that rock. I mean, I think I said in one of my previous videos, you know, the best way to make sure is to take up your slack. Don't set the hook right away when you see the bobber acting like a fish. Take up your slack, reel in your line a little bit, feel the head shakes. This right here is one of my favorite little slots. I think it holds fish well. Got to get it up there in the seam, right at the top, the head of that seam. It's usually money. Now you can see how the river is flowing way faster than my float. That's because it's dragging on the bottom. Oh, that's a fish. I didn't think that was a fish. It was too heavy. But that's a fish. I thought that was the bottom. Oh, this is a good one. Oh. Whoa, did you see the size? Whoa, did you see the size of that thing? That was a monster. Holy moly, I didn't even think that was a fish when I first felt it. I thought it was stuck on the bottom because it wasn't moving. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, it kind of slowed down a little bit. Still have the river to myself. I can run the river in the dark if I want to. So I think I'm gonna make this my last drift. We're losing light. And I want to thank you for watching this video. We had a pretty productive evening for fishing for a few hours here. And so thanks for watching, guys, and gals, because I think about 11% of my viewers are female, women. So thank you, ladies. I appreciate you watching as well. But I'm going to call it quits here in just a couple of short minutes. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos where you'll join us on the ocean catching kings and silver salmon, lakes catching kokanee trout, and landlocked coho. We'll also be working our riverfront homestead and harvesting venison. Stay tuned for more fishing and hunting and outdoor adventure videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button so you get notifications of new uploads. Thank you for watching.